Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Etsy Ads Review My Usage Experience. Etsy Ads Review My Usage Experience offers a detailed analysis of your Etsy advertising campaigns. It's aimed at Etsy sellers who want to improve their ad performance and get a better return on their ad spend. The service likely provides reports and insights into key metrics like click-through rates, conversion rates, and cost per click. Their website provides details on the specific features offered. Their website highlights the ease of use of their platform and emphasizes data-driven insights to optimize Etsy ad campaigns. They claim to provide clear and transparent pricing with no hidden fees, and no contracts are required. The service uses proprietary algorithms to analyze ad performance data, helping sellers understand which keywords, targeting options, and ad creatives are most effective. Availability is directly tied to access to your Etsy ads data. Any Etsy seller can potentially use this service. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Etsy Ads Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was a breeze. I simply connected my Etsy account using their secure API integration. It took less than 5 minutes. The interface is quite intuitive. The dashboard presents key metrics clearly using charts and graphs. I was able to easily see which of my ad campaigns were performing well and which needed adjustments. I especially appreciated the granular breakdown of keyword performance. It helped me identify low-performing keywords and refine my targeting strategy. The reports are generated quickly, and I found the insights incredibly helpful. I had a quick question about interpreting one of the reports, and their support responded within 24 hours via email. A standout feature for me was definitely the ability to compare performance across different ad campaigns simultaneously. One minor drawback was the lack of automated recommendations, but the data provided is easily interpreted. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Etsy Ads Review My Usage Experience. It helped me significantly improve my Etsy ad ROI, and I would definitely recommend it to other Etsy sellers. That's my overview of Etsy Ads Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.